I check. Ain't got to smoke weed, man, I'm high off this living. This shit is euphoric, the feeling is given. I know in the future I'm gonna make a killing, but at the moment I do prefer chilling. What you wanna do? Where you wanna go? Homies trying to skate, so my ass is out the door. Feeling different feelings that I never felt before, but it's making me feel good, I really like it, give me more. People hear my shit, then they flood me with the compliments. People think it's awesome, and to me that is astonishing. Young, absent-minded shit, discussing my thoughts to some mindless kids. They don't think for themselves, they copy the trends, copy the popular, copy a friend. In all honesty, I just want it to end. They follow the rules, I see if they can bend. Think outside the box, exceeding the limits. Do your own thing, man, don't fall for the gimmicks. You ain't the mirror, you don't have to mimic. I'm trying to prove a point by the time that I'm finished. Stop being stupid, start using your dome. I'm incomplete without the green, like a line without a no. My parents are surprised to see how much I've grown. Stop caring about the words, I only listen to my own. I block out the negativity, the happy bug is bitten me. Bring out the little kid in me, just to spit some R&B. And when the weed is hitting me, I'm seeing things so vividly. Stop killing people's moods. Why you always killing shit? You beg for a life, get out there and start living it. You asking for fun, go out there and get this. Soon as you do that, I know you won't regret it. I know people in the east, north, south, and the west. I know people hating me, but that's the hoping for the best. Even if that means they don't want me to get success, and know I'll get it someday. I can feel it in my chest, but for now I guess I'll just be chilling, laid back, zero stress. I love the feeling, it's very appealing. Me, myself, and I, defying laws of gravity. Homie, you know I'm fly, like a robin or a seagull or an eagle. Words I'm spitting like gunshots that are lethal. Smoking that illegal, puffing that cloud though. Kicking with the homies, turn the music up loud though. Listen to my words, then you'll know what I'm about though. And following the trends, homie, make a different route though. I ain't never gonna change.